Today's video, I will show you how to make this crystal bracelet. So, let's start. Our materials are Miyuki 11O gold seed beads, 4mm of rondel beads, ring, or you can use any kind of jump ring, and lobster clasp. We also need, and we have also 0.20mm of, we will use about 150 centimeter of this beading nylon thread. So let's start. 6 1 2 2 3 4 5 11 gold seed beads and clasps. We will attach our lobster clasp first. I'll pass the needle once more again to make it more tough and knot them. Like this. So I will cut them. I will cut the tail thread because we don't need them. And then we are exiting from here. Now we'll pass the needle for these 2 seed beads. And to this 111, to the next 11. So we are holding, some kind of like this. We are exiting from this 11 and I will pick 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 11 1 rondel, 1 11 and 1 rondel. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our exiting thread. Like this. So I will flip it like this, flip it over. Is this 6? No, this is 7, sorry. So I will go back, and I will pick 1 rondel, 1 11 and 1 rondel. So I pull it down again, and I will pass the needle to this 11 like this. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle through this 2 seed beads like this, and I will pick 1 2 3 seed beads and pass the needle to this 2 11. Skip these 2 seed beads and pass the needle to these 2 11. So we're exiting from here, skip these 2 and pass through this 2 11. Like this. So we are exiting from here, and I will go back, and I will pass the needle through these rondel beads like this. Give it some pull, and flip it over and hold it like this. And pick 6 11 O's, 6 11 O's, 1 rondel, and 1 11 O. So I'm exiting from here, and I will pass the needle to this rondel beads from the opposite side of our thread. So I will pull the thread like this, just like this, and pass the needle to these 2 11 O's, like this. So I will pick 3, 1, 2, 3 11 O's, and skip these 2 seed beads and pass through the next 2 11 O's. Yes. And pass the needle here to these rondel beads. Now I'll do it once again. So I will flip it over and hold it like this. Pick 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 11 O's, 1 rondel, and 1 11 O's. So I'm exiting from here from this rondel beads and pass the needle again from the opposite side of our working thread, and just like this. So I'll pull it again to make it more clearly. So like this. Okay, and I will pass the needle to these 2 seed beads. This. Skip 2 seed beads and pick 3 seed beads, and skip this 2 and pass the needle to these 2 11 O's. Like this. So just make it sure that they are fully, they are pulled, and then like this. So I will make it more to understand you more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 rondel, and 1 11 O. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread like this. Pull it gently and like this, and pass the needle to these 2 11 O's. And pick 3 11 O, skip this 2 and pass the needle to the next 2 11 O's. Like this, and pass the needle here to these rondel beads. So this is our lesson for today, and I will do the other unit and then I'll be back. So here's our bracelet, and we made about 17.5, and we use 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 rondel beads. So we will make our loop to our ring, So I will pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seed beads and ring or jump ring, and then we are exiting from here and then pass through this 11 and I will reinforce him. So this is our bracelet for today. I hope you like it. Like this. You can use any color. You can use also pearl. So if you enjoy our tutorial for today, I hope you understand my tutorial, and thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.